Hi Pisces, welcome back to my channel. This is your daily love tarot reading, Pisces. Before we start the reading, Pisces, I would like to wish you all a very happy new year. I hope this year brings lot of happiness, success and prosperity in our lives, Pisces. So these are for your daily reading, Pisces. For your career situation and relationship, we'll be picking more cards. So these are for your career situation, Pisces, and for your relationship, few more cards. So I hope this reading resonates. If it does, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know your suggestions, guys. So these are the cards. One more card here for your relationship, guys. So let's start with the daily reading, Pisces. So let's see what are the cards here. Justice, Seven of Fire and Six of Water. So these cards may relate to your career situation or personal life situation, Pisces. So with these cards, it just means that you have that perseverance and endurance. So whatever your situation is, however things are going, maybe some challenges are there, some obstacles, delays in your career or in your personal life, you are in a position that you have to make lot of efforts and many burdens are there on your shoulders, but you have that temptation to resist these changes, but you are not falling for those temptations, guys. You just want to make things work. You have that confidence, strength and courage to deal your situation very well, and you know what you need today to make things go in the right way, Pisces. And I also see that you are simply yearning for your past. Maybe your past situation was much better. It may be something to do with your career. You just hope that those past days will come back to you. And maybe for some of you, you are just, it may be something to do with your personal life. You are just thinking of those good old times you had with this person, that love you both shared and that beautiful relationship that you both had. And maybe for some of you, you are healing yourself, moving forward, healing yourself today, healing from that past, whatever was not working for you. So, and you have that understanding in your heart of hearts. You just know that things are just going as it should, and karma is playing its part, maybe, and your destiny or karma, whatever you call it, that is the reason for your situation going in such a way. But you have that confidence in your heart of heart and that perseverance to see things through, see till the end, and endurance. You are making that effort and holding on, though your situation is very stressful, lots of obstacles, sorry guys, lots of obstacles and lots of worries, but still you are trying to hold on to the truth in your heart, hold on to your efforts, and you're just waiting for things to go right, guys. So that is what I see with these cards, Pisces, for your daily energy. Let us see what are these cards for your career. It's King of Fire, Hierophant, Seven of Earth. So with these cards, guys, in your situation today, maybe for some of you, it may work to your benefit, guys. Maybe a few minutes of silence every day. Have that silent time for yourself. Think about the good things that are supposed to come towards you in the beginning of the day. If you have that happy intention every day, it will manifest in your work, guys. So all those path or all those choices that you're making in your life in that day, it will turn out right for you. And I also see that you are already an inspiration to people around you. The confidence that you radiate in your actions or in the way you deal your situation, your skills and talents, and you are able to inspire people who are there with you, and they are just aspiring to be like you each and every day, that skill and talent. But some things may be worrying you. That is the reason we said that you need to have that happy intention, silent time every day. Think about your goals and your achievements today, guys. The reasons may be some important decisions are coming your way today, guys. So you have to have that clarity in your heart what you need to do, and you should not be afraid to choose whatever you are supposed to choose. So you have to be fearless to choose the right path. So that is what I see with these cards, Pisces, for your career situation. Let us see what are the cards for your relationship. Emperor, Four of Water, Six of Fire. So with these cards in your relationship, it may be something your person feels about you or what you feel about them in this relationship. You are dreaming about this perfect connection, dreaming about this perfect person. You are dreaming, and maybe you are having all that desires in your heart, lots of dreams and aspirations, but at the right time these dreams will manifest, guys, at the perfect time. So you have to wait for that. So instead of simply just dreaming, you have to go in for action, guys. Maybe you are just thinking that some actions or in your situation, guys, Pisces, you are just daydreaming, fantasizing how things will go. But sometimes those dreams should come into reality, guys. Only then you will be able to see that truth in that connection, or see it in your present. So instead of just daydreaming, you have to go for that action. And also I see that you are in an important position in your life, important state, or maybe this person considers you as an important person for them, or you may be dealing with this person who is in a very important position in their life. They may be working with the bank or the government, someone prominent, someone with authority, and you are dreaming about them. And whatever your dreams you see as the possibilities for this relationship, I see that you have to have faith that at the right time the right choice will come towards you, guys. The right person will come towards you. So that is what I get with these cards, guys. So your dreams will come true at the right time. That is what I see with these cards. Pisces. So that is the reading for today, guys. Thank you for watching this video. If this reading resonated, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know your suggestions. I'll see you tomorrow with another reading. Bye, guys.